Before starting the video, we would like to ask you, how many times have you skipped mascara in your everyday makeup? Not a single time for sure. You may skip foundation or eyeshadows from your makeup routine, but never miss applying mascara, isn't it? Mascara is an important part of our everyday makeup look, as we all love to define our eyes with bold eyeliner and mascara. The bold, long-length, voluminized, curly eyelashes are loved by all, but not everyone has the desired ones. Some may have short lashes, some may have less volume, some have got straight ones, but nobody has the perfect eyelashes. So, you might need some bold mascara formula or tools to cover up all these problems and level up your eyes. But how can you understand which mascara suits your eyelash requirements? Choosing the perfect mascara for eyelashes depends mostly on the right wand. Nowadays, you may have seen that mascara wands have changed their revolution from traditional wire wands to hourglass, spherical, and wavy wand shapes made of plastics or rubber bristles. If you think that the different shapes or styles of those fancy mascara wands have no reason, then you are going on the wrong path. Those fancy wand shapes are designed specially for suiting different eyelash lovers. Most women look for thick and voluminous eyelashes. To have big fat eyelashes, you might want to go for the traditional twisted wire or plastic bristle brush. Those fat, fluffy brushes give a lush volume to your eyelashes and give you desired eyelashes at all times. For getting long, lane defined eyelashes, you may want to go for the plastic or rubber brushes that have closely spaced bristles. Less space between bristles ensures every lash is pumped up from bottom to top, so you get the long length of lashes you are looking for. If you're looking for a curly, dramatic look for your straight lashes, then you might get some curved or hourglass brush, as these brushes give the desired lift and curl to every last lash. Those who always have a rush and need one coat cover must go for a traditional wire brush over plastic ones. Wire brushes hold a lot of mascara and spread it to the base of the lash evenly, so you will get the volume in one coat. If you want to go for plastic bristle, choose the wand with wide cores so that it can also hold a heavy amount of mascara. And don't forget your lower lashes. Defining your lower lashes is equally important as the upper ones. To get an extremely defined lower lash, you should grab some ball-shaped brushes, as smaller shapes let you get an even coat of mascara from root to tip individually. So next time before you get yourself a mascara, just take some time and think about what your eyelash requires. To make your pre-purchase research a little easier, we have recommended some top-notch mascara that you will love to keep in your vanity.
The Trendy Beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users, so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
Those who love to get an ultimate big lash look are going to love the Covergirl Lash Blast Volume Waterproof Mascara for its instant blast of fullness and length. The Covergirl Mascara has a bold volume design with an incredible waterproof formula and a wide rubber bristle brush to max out every lash up to 10 times volume in one coat. For its wide rubber brush, Covergirl Mascara evenly coats each lash of your eyes without clumping or flaking. You can also choose your favorite color of mascara according to your desire. Wearing contact lenses and mascara together often ends up in eye irritation, but not with Maybelline New York Volume Express the Colossal Waterproof Mascara, as it has a special collagen-infused formula tested by ophthalmologists to suit contact lens wearers. Colossal furnishes you with an instant clump-free, bold, open-eyed look for up to 18 hours. Just one coat of this Maybelline mascara will give you 9 times volume, and 2 coats will maximize to 15 times volume. For its mega twisted wire brush with wavy bristles, you will get an all-day bold, long lash look without any clumps. If you don't get enough time to touch up your makeup during work, you may need an all-day lasting mascara like the Lancôme Paris Monsieur Big Waterproof Mascara, as it delivers bold lash volume for up to 24 hours. The ultra-creamy sweat-proof and smudge-proof formula of Lancôme Mascara gives you a high volume and long-length look that you desire all the time. Also, this waterproof mascara features a large brush with a unique shape and soft wavy fibers to deliver the perfect amount of formula that every lash needs to build up. Mascara lovers with sensitive eyes always face the problem of allergy or irritation. For those with sensitive eyes, L'Oréal Paris Voluminous Waterproof Mascara has the best solution formulated with hydrating deep panthenol and ceramide R to protect and condition lashes. This special panthenol and ceramide R formula gives you irritation-free eyes with bold lashes, while being clump-resistant, fragrance-free, ophthalmologist-tested and allergy-tested. Also, this unique formula with volume-maximizing brush captures and thickens each lash evenly and smoothly, leaving lashes soft with virtually no flakes, smudges, or clumps. In a single application of L'Oréal Waterproof Mascara, you will get 4 times thick and long-length lashes with a full and dramatic look. For curly volume lashes, there is no comparison of Too Faced Better Than Sex Waterproof Mascara. With Too Faced iconic hourglass-shaped brush, this waterproof mascara unlocks the volumizing formula that thickens, lengthens, and curls for extreme volume and dramatic lashes. With that, Too Faced Mascara has porcelain flower extract that moisturizes and conditions your lashes to give a soft, fluffy feeling, and unique peptides formula give you the deepest intense black lashes you will ever have. So that was all about the top-notch mascaras. Thanks for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share it with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos, and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.